front of me is Samsung Galaxy A57, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. First, open Settings and scroll to tap on Safety and Emergency. Now choose Emergency Contacts. Tap on this switcher next to Show on Lock screen if it's not already on. Without it, your contacts won't be accessible from locked screen. And then hit Add Emergency Contact. Finally, tap on all of your numbers you wanna add to the list. And when you finished, hit Done at the top right corner. As you can see, all of mine were successfully added. If you want to remove any of them from your list, use those three dots at the top right corner. Hit Remove. Tap on the one you want to get rid of and choose Remove button at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!